Welcome to the Holler.
Vlog.
I'm gonna make the string shorter.
It's a new Mavic Air.
This battery is defective. It's puffy, it's swollen, it's a fire hazard, it's a risk. We don't want to use this battery.
The longer the string, the more torque, and
Wow.
this should work, maybe. We need not to go do 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 do. We need just straight. What he said.
We're gonna make it work.
We're going to drill holes in the handles of these chair dollies so that when you move it, that doesn't happen.
We're unpacking for a math academy that we're going to have for a K2 and a 3-5. And they get
Tons of goodies.
great goodies.
Depending on how this drone handles the payload challenge, it might be changing a little bit, so watch out for that. This isn't the finished design, but this is just a test.
What if that's the problem? The magnet.
It said magnetic interference. See? Yeah, that's what caused it.
Safety first.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you learned a little bit.
What's cool about this one is it's got front and rear sensors to kind of keep it from hitting things. It knows where it's at.
All in all, I mean, we did pick a package up, we did deliver it to a point B, so I would call it a success.
What you got there, Tanner?
It's a new Mavic Air.
All right, let's go with it.